Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys and dolls, and welcome to another Jorie hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed these jumbo crochet box braids in 30 inches on my beautiful model. These are from the Jorie hair website. So I am focusing on doing individuals as they look more natural, but I did also add some cornrows to the back just to speed up the process. This is just me attaching some crochet box braids to the cornrows at the back of her hair. I did say I added cornrows earlier on, and this was just to speed up the process. This is optional. You can literally just do individuals throughout and they look beautiful and natural. But yeah, you know, I just did this because I'm lazy like that. Not really. I'm joking. These are individual plaits or braids. I did attach some crochet box braids already, as you can see. But to do this to do the individual plait, you literally just section your hair and plait it as you normally would. I do have some close-up pictures up on the blog if you check that out in the description box below. I did about 36 individuals in the front altogether. To attach your crochet box braids to the plait, you are going to put your latch hook through the base of your individual plait. Then attach your crochet box braid and pull it back through the base of your individual plait. Then you are going to get the ends of both your plait and the crochet braids and pull it through the loop of your crochet box braids to secure. I am going to show you that again very slowly. The next step will hide your individual braid or plait within the crochet braid. So put your latch hook through your box braid at a length that is actually slightly longer than your natural hair. This is quite an important bit, otherwise you might have your plait literally sticking out randomly in the middle of your crochet braids. Then attach both the ends of your plait and box braids to your latch hook and simply pull and secure. That's literally it. This will hide your plait in your crochet braids, and you can repeat this with all your individuals until your hairstyle is complete. This will come out beautifully and it will look like you actually got your hair braided. So all in all, around 7 packs of hair was used, and the hairstyle was done in around maybe 2.5 hours. But if you were to do individuals throughout the whole head, like for the whole head, it would be maybe 3 to 3.5 hours. Like I said, I added cornrows to just speed up the process. And you can also check out the blog post or the links below for more info. I did design these crochet box braids myself, so they're actually natural looking, as in they look like actual box braids. I'm not just saying that because, you know, I designed them myself, but, you know, this is what I actually expect the standards of crochet box braids to be. So if you would like to purchase them, click the link below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this tutorial useful. Thank you.